No raccoons for us.
I got the picture.
Come out, come out. Oh, yes. Oh gosh. He's gonna pounce on you. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Pretty cool. Oh, he's gonna let me get all the way up. Oh, perfect. See, sometimes you gotta work for it. Yeah, I want a gator. Oh, that looks cool. Dang it.
Two deer, there's two.
Oh, I know. There's
Like dozens.
I gotta at least try and get over there in case another bird flies. Oh, look at him. Back up, man. Just back up a little bit. He's coming our way. Oh, what is that? What is that? What is that? Oh, where did he land?
Over there, look.
I come in peace. Oh, well, May May. He didn't like that. Oh my God, that's gonna look cool. Oh, he just flexed at you. Sheesh. Okay, we've got a pelican posted up on the complete other side. We need to secure him. He looks pretty cool. There we go, buddy. There we go, buddy. Try and do that to make them look at me. Pretty cool picture. Somebody in a review said that they saw an alligator eating a turtle.
Oh no.
What do we see?
With a tiny alligator.
Oh.
And there's one a little farther off, a small one, and then there's a larger one on the left side. Keep it moving.
Oh yeah. That's a tough shot.